2 people have died in Wajir County after a measles outbreak that was first detected in September. 88 cases have so far been recorded in Wajir North, 39 in Wajir West, 11 in Wajir East and 1 in Tabaj, according to the County Deputy Director of Public Health, Adam Hassan. So far, 4 sub-counties have been affected. However, the worst hit areas are Bute, Danaba and Kasabula in Wajir North and Hadado and Mau Mau in Wajir West. The county's health department is carrying out a sensitization program and vaccination drives to avert further spread of the extremely contagious and fatal disease in the area.
Communication with the national level to mobilize resources to do a county-wide immunization exercise, which is called immunization campaign.